The B2B SaaS landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace. CMOs like you face mounting pressure to deliver measurable results in an increasingly complex environment. Your buyers are more informed than ever. They conduct extensive research before engaging with sales. Traditional marketing tactics are losing their effectiveness. Generic content fails to resonate. Imprecise campaigns yield disappointing ROI, and activating account intelligence seems like an elusive dream. You need a strategic advantage to cut through the noise and drive revenue growth. Rising CPCs are squeezing your budget. You need to make every dollar count. But how can you optimize your marketing spend when your message isn't reaching the right audience? The answer lies in a strategic approach to communications design. One that aligns your marketing efforts with the buyer journey and delivers the right information at the right time. You need a solution that empowers you to engage with self-educating buyers on their terms. A solution that transforms account intelligence into actionable insights. A solution that drives predictable revenue growth. Smart GTM's strategic communications design is the answer. This end-to-end solution empowers B2B SaaS CMOs like you to overcome today's marketing challenges and achieve breakthrough results. We transform your account intelligence into high-performing content, highly targeted campaigns, and an optimized ABM engine. Our proven methodology ensures that your message resonates with the right audience at the right time, driving engagement and accelerating your sales cycle. Strategic communications design is not about creating more content. It's about making your existing content work harder. It's about aligning your marketing efforts with the buyer journey. And it's about leveraging data to drive measurable results. Our three-pillar approach provides a clear roadmap for success. Our marketing content design process starts with what you already have. We analyze your existing content through a 7-layer lens. This includes your target market segment, buyer roles and levels, sales stages, content formats, tonality and calls to action, content channels and account-specific nuances. This in-depth analysis identifies areas for improvement and optimization. We provide you with actionable recommendations to enhance your content's effectiveness. From refining your messaging to optimizing for search engines, we ensure that your content resonates with your target audience. Our goal is to maximize your content ROI, accelerate your sales cycle, and enhance engagement across all touchpoints. Section 4, Pillar 2, Campaign Plays. Precision targeting for maximum impact. Our campaign plays pillar focuses on developing a dynamic go-to-market playbook tailored to your ideal customer profile. We leverage multi-dimensional account intelligence and scoring, considering up to 12 subject areas to create highly targeted campaigns. Each play outlines the campaign objective, target account profile, core hypothesis, qualification criteria, value proposition, personalization points, messaging hooks, content format, and success metrics. This data-driven approach ensures that your campaigns are laser-focused and deliver the highest possible return on investment. By targeting the right accounts with the right message at the right time, we help you generate more qualified leads, accelerate pipeline velocity, and drive predictable revenue growth. Section 5, Pillar 3, Extend to Full ABM, Data-Driven Account Engagement. Our Extend to Full ABM pillar empowers you to leverage the power of account-based marketing without the complexity and cost of traditional ABM solutions. We provide you with light ABM tools powered by our strategic insights, enabling you to prioritize your most valuable accounts, gain deep market and competitive intelligence, score accounts based on firmographic and behavioral data, identify and track website visitors, tier accounts and score engagement events, attribute revenue to specific marketing touches, integrate with LinkedIn ads for targeted advertising, and track campaign financials with ease. Our ABM approach ensures that your sales and marketing teams are aligned around the same goals and targeting the same accounts. This collaborative approach leads to more qualified opportunities, shorter sales cycles, and increased revenue. Smart GTM's strategic communications design is more than just a marketing strategy, it's a growth engine for your B2B SaaS business. Contact us today to learn how we can help you cut through the noise, resonate with your ideal customers, and unlock predictable revenue growth.